let's learn how to send USDT from Binance to Binance. I will show you this tutorial on browser account, but method is very similar, so you can follow up with any other device. For this, you will need two Binance accounts, one from which you will get the address, and second, you will send money to. I will show you both things on just one account, but you will get the point. So let's start. From browser, you can click instantly on deposit, or you can go wallet overview and then deposit. Now this page will appear. Click on deposit crypto, and here you will see these three things. Search coin, we want to transfer USDT, so let's check USDT. Select network. Be careful about this because you will have to select one here and select the same network from another account. For this one, I will select Smart Chain, and as you can see here, the deposit address will appear. So let's copy this address, and you will have to go now to a different account. Now whenever you on different account, click on wallet and then go to spot that second in a row. Here you will see this withdraw button. Click on it, and now you will have to select the coin. Let's select USDT address, enter address, and you will have to paste address you copied before, or you can click on this Binance user and share it with email, phone, or Binance ID. This tutorial is for address only. And now this is important thing. Select network. You will have to select the same network address you selected before. I selected Smart Chain, and that's it. And here you will have to write the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Once you've done that, click on withdraw, and you're finished. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.